started off with just browning the mince with some onion and garlic. Darren went on a Wi-Fi mission. Good timing.
Oh.
Help me.
Oh no, darling. So, this is how you use a can opener.
Because I can't work it.
Although Lauren can cook, she can't open cans. Oh, look at this action. I actually like this can opener even though it's free.
It's too tall for the screen. The can opener's free. All the utensils are free. They come with the hire. Even though it's free.
So, this is what you call an open tin of tomato puree, in case you can't see that's open, with this device called a tin opener. If you guys stay tuned for the next video, I'll actually show you how to use a knife. Very important part of cooking. Okay, take care guys.
Take care guys. So, pop in the tomato puree and the main ingredient.
Wine.
My glamorous assistant. Splish.
What?
I'll let you know.
We don't want to waste too much wine by cooking it. We want to drink it rather than cook it.
Check Don's little starter going on. He's got the bread, he's got the olive oil and the balsamic vinegar. We've got the olives on the go. Now we've got whole grain pasta, the brown pasta. It takes a bit longer than white pasta, I don't know why. Now these next two additions, one's a little bit controversial, one's a bit boring. So we add in fresh basil. And the next one is one that Don allowed from an old flatmate of his, but to be fair, it tastes really, really good as spaghetti bolognese, but I completely understand it's not everyone's taste. So
Black olives, going
popping in black olives.
Going in.
Oh my god, that basil smells so
Going
good.
in.
Ta-da! Would you pay more than a tenner for this in Zizzi's?
I don't know, I've not tried it yet. But I'm not going to try it on film because it's going to go everywhere and spaghetti's messy. But I'm sure. Wait, I can try the. I'll try the sauce. I'll try the sauce, right?
Yeah, try.
Oh, I would pay at least £9.99. No, it's good. Really good.
Looks profesh.
It does, especially this bread. Look at this. I cut
Home
this.
baked.
I baked this earlier this morning in the microwave. I bought it from New World.
Bon appetit. Oh god! And we just added up. How much did it all cost?
Less than $10.
Less than $10. And look how much is left for tomorrow. So we bought olives. And I just found out how much was the olives, darling. You added them to the trolley.
$16 million.
They were nearly $8. So for one little pack of olives, cost the same as the beef.
How good is it though? Look at this.
One little pack of olives cost the same as the beef, the garlic, the onions,
the oregano,
the
beautiful olives.
For the leftover bolognese, we're making sloppy joes. We've got like cheesy rolls.
No more cheese.
And we put them in like sloppy joes. Kind of like Don's added cheese to his. I don't know how he's going to close that.
I'm not going to close it, I'm going to...
Kind of like, reminded us of a Subway meatball marinara.
Without the meatballs?
Without the meatballs, we'll have got the same meat and the tomato with the bolognese. And this is the view.
And where are we?
Kaikoura. Kaikoura. Beautiful little spot for lunch. Oh, you did that quite well. You never made too much mess. Is it good? Perfect way to rework the leftovers. Oh, spoke too soon.